What's up, YouTube? Right now we're gonna be another video 2021. After a while I haven't done anything because we are at the bird hatching. These two chicks hatched 5 days ago. Right now they're 6 days old, and right now we're feeding them dog food. You can feed them worms, whatever you want, crickets, but I feed them mostly dog food because some creatures like crickets don't have water inside, and they need water and they need food. So this gives them water, as you can see, and it gives them food. So this is how you're gonna feed them. Take one of that. You feed it exactly like that. Let's ask for more. Keep feeding them. And when you do it, don't do it like this. All the way through so they can digest. Exactly like that. So you take another piece. Like that, and you go here. And whatever that they did not digest, they're gonna digest. Once they don't open their mouth anymore, meaning they're done with their food, they are pretty hungry. Right now I'm gonna be visiting them every single day. Until they grow up. They probably fly around 2 to 3 weeks old. Got that stuck, huh? No, don't want it. This serves them nutrients and liquid. That's the most thing that you have to do. You can feed them 45 to 1 hour a day. Oopsie, look, little poopy. I'm gonna take that away. That's the poopy. I'm gonna clean that. Anyways, they even eat their own poop. The mother eats their poop, so whack. Any more? Oh, it's too liquidish. Yeah, I think they're good for now. That's good. Once you see the blubber is full, that's how you know that they're eating. Once you see that it's too big, then you stop feeding. They need enough food. At least they could be good for 2 hours. At least the parents do not have to work as hard. You guys enjoying it? It's my job. Tell me when you guys stop opening your mouths. Right now I just got 20 pieces of dog food, and that should be good for probably an hour. So, Dolby, that's it. Hello, babies. Look, see that when I do like this? Oh yeah, this one opens its mouth. That's it for you, okay? Now we're gonna pick them up and we're gonna show them to you. Now this one is the youngster. The youngest one right now. Before there were 3. 1 fell down. Now, thanks God, they are okay. Because most of the time after it rains, earlier it rained, usually. Oh, you got the grip, huh? Can you guys jump? Let's see. Starting around this age, they could start to jump, so I want to test them. That's all stuck on them, huh? Get all that out. Now, I made this nest all by my own with my materials. Oh yeah, that blubber is full. Yeah, that's good. Now these are the babies. Oh, look at you, you're walking. I think it's gonna poop any time out from there. Hey, look at you. Oh yeah, that one wants food again. Well, this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow me on YouTube. Please subscribe and like some more. Thank you.